Good morning, everybody. This is Troy and family from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Now there is a happy dog, a tired dog, running. She's been working herself, playing. This is a special short video to show you the beauty of our first snow. Pine trees in winter have a very special beauty to them.
Oh, there is the sunset.
Sunrise. I really hope that shows up well on camera. Pure and white. Look at that with the blue sky behind it. It's a very brief thing in the mornings when you can get this angle. And it's just 8:30 in the morning and the sun is just starting to come up. Gonna be a beautiful morning, and then it's gonna snow some more. We're in the middle of a winter weather advisory. Supposed to get 2 to 5 inches, which we have hardly got anything yet, but it's coming. So I might do another little update on this later as the sun rises a little bit more and becomes quite beautiful. And then the clouds are going to roll in, and that'll be the end. Those clouds right there, there's more snow in those clouds, and they're coming. So we'll see what we can get here, and then I'll get you this video today, just a little short special. Michelle is happy. She barely slept. Snow, snowball fights, snow castles, snow forts. Everything is white and clean and pure. I wish I could be with her right now. My rib hurts, and I don't dare because she still has a tendency to jump, and she is strong as a bull. She is strong as a bull. She'd rip me in half right now. Eating snow. She's eating snow.
She was so happy. She's snow.
She gets to play in the snow. Oh wow, she's eating a lot of snow. Wow. Everybody's enjoying the snow this morning. Well, there it is. It clouded up for a bit, but now it's clear again. And now it's gonna fall off the trees. Well, that's what I wanted to show you. The sun shining off the snow. We're supposed to get more, but I don't know. Doesn't look like it. The clouds went away. And we'll see what today brings. I'll get this video up to you after breakfast. The girls are waiting on me. I just wanted to share this with you. It's so peaceful and pretty out when it's the first snow of the year.